Hi, second grade. I am so happy to be speaking with you today. And with me, I have my son. He is my special guest, and he'll be learning right alongside you. Say hi, Jacob.
Hi.
We're going to be learning how to make a pop up book. Can you say pop up book?
Pop book.
A pop up book's great because if you've ever read one, everything literally jumps out on the page. And we're going to be designing a pop up book. And today we are going to spend some time practicing how they work. And next week, I will give you an assignment, which will be our project in how to make a pop up book showing foreground, middle ground, background, and we're going to be using negative space. But today, I just want to talk about how the pop-up book will work. And what we're going to be doing is making a pop-up book today that's practice, and it'll be a person. And you can decide what kind of person you want to be in your pop-up book. And my son Jacob has already drawn a person, and let him show you what he made. Go ahead and show him. Okay, good. I'm going to hold up a kid's pair of scissors so you can see how big it is. Okay, once you've drawn your pop-up figure, you are going to draw some tabs. And tabs are where it's going to connect to the pop-up book. So underneath the feet, I want you to draw a rectangle shape like that. And draw another one over here. And I'll show you what those are going to be for. Okay. Jay made his legs a little skinny, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out for him. And you can do the same at home when you get to this step. You can choose to pause the video now and draw out a person, or you can keep watching and do this when the video is over.
Okay, my dad, right, is cutting a little bit messy, but that's okay. It's a little bit messy, right, guys? But that's okay.
That reminds me, just keep in mind, I know we are doing remote learning, but we are becoming artists at the same time. And so, yeah, we can allow ourselves some space to get a little messy and to make mistakes, and that's okay. I realize that many of you have not done a pop-up book before, and so this will be a learning experience for you. All right. There, I cut them out. Okay, you see this is another computer paper. All I've done is I've folded this in half like a hamburger. If you do have construction paper at home, you can do the same with construction paper. It's a little sturdier and more ideal, but because we are working remotely this week, you may not have construction paper at home, so you don't have to use that. I'm just using simple materials I hope everybody has. If you don't have computer paper, I'm sure you could use something else. Jay, what else could you use besides computer paper if you don't have any?
You could use regular paper, color paper, any kind of paper. Right, guys?
What about paper you might get in the mail?
Yeah, like a paper box.
No, just like regular paper. Okay, so we have our pop-up book cover. Okay, goes like that. And how are we going to put him in here so he pops out? I wonder. Here, Jay, come here. On this side. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our little guy and we're going to fold him in half. So I want to fold him in half this way. Okay, so I fold him in half like this, right down his spine. See that?
Yeah.
Then I also want to fold the tabs that we made for his feet. So I'm gonna hold him up like this, put him on his head, and then I want to fold these tabs down in the same exact place so they line up. So I'm gonna fold them both at the same time, like that. Okay? And then I want to take them and separate them, just like that. Okay. All right. Now I have my pop-up book here. Jay, come here, please. I want your help. We are going to put the pop-up guy right here in the crease. In the crease like that.
What are you
Here, I'll face him towards you. Put him right here. Just like that. You can hold him here, or you can choose to tape him down. And you should tape him down for sure. I have him facing the front of my book, and that's good. So he is in the front, and not at the very edge, but he's pretty much just a little bit down, about a couple inches in. And now I want to tape the feet to the cover of the book. So, Jay, can you reach down and get some tape here? Right here. I already have some here on the table. Here, take that. Okay. Tape the no, not your feet.
Cut it up.
Tape the feet of the cutout. Yeah, yeah. Buddy, you're gonna tape your feet. You're just okay. See, we are becoming artists, right, Jay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can have fun. Oh, whoa, he's gonna do the splits. Okay, see how he kind of got curved? We want to make sure that he can stand up straight. All right. Okay. All right. There he is. Now he's standing by himself. Jay, why don't you sit down here? Go ahead and sit down. All right. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
This is
Ready.
our test. Now we have it here. Okay, ready? Let's see if we can make it the pop-up book. So Jay, why don't you close up the book? Close this up. No. All right, can we do this? All right, let's see. Let's see if it pops up. Open it up.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go.
Whoa, it popped up. There he is. Here's our little guy. All right, let's try it again. Let's try it again. Make sure it really worked. Close it. Okay, it's totally flat, right? Okay, open it up, Jay. Oh, love it.
Foot's a little like.
Okay, his foot looks a little twisted right here. Looks a little broken, right?
Yeah.
So why did that happen? Well, I think it's a little bit longer than the other one. Oh, yes. The tab we didn't tape it on the tab. Okay, so let's try it again. The tab was not taped down, so it folded weird. All right, so we adjust. Okay, we adjust. We try it again. Okay, that's what being an artist is about. So try it again, Jay. Boom. All right. I'd like you guys to give that a try at home. Once you have it popping up and it looks good, obviously we could color this. He could be standing on something, like in a place or a room, the grass, and you guys choose how you want to make this yours. Really have fun with this, okay?
Ow.
Jay did a picture of a person. Jay, who is this? Do you know?
Um, um, Jeffy.
Oh, it's Jeffy?
No, come on.
Monk? Okay, Monk. All right, so maybe that's the title of the book, Monk. All right? And then he pops out. That would be a fun story. It'd be fun to see what Jay's going to do with this. So maybe I'll share out how Jay makes it his own and adds those special details next week. But please have fun with this. If you have any questions, you can email me. Look forward to seeing what you create.